Hello and welcome. Let's get to it. Module 2, Income and Employment. Let's begin here. For the purposes of this one here, we're just going to click Next here. They're going to give you a pre-assessment. Just click through it. It does not matter what you choose. And then here, this is your career personality. You should genuinely look at this here so that way you could see whether or not you're more a collaborator or more of a leader here. So I'm just going to click through this right here. Boom. Says I'm a collaborator, which means I work well with people. Now here, it's going to show you all these professions. You're going to click open here. And basically, what all of these are telling you here is you could see in the corner, like if you're a creator, a leader, a collaborator, this job might be for you. But it's also emphasizing the fact that if you have a higher degree, you will make more money there. So this is valuable for looking at that as well. Then it makes you choose a career. I'm choosing nurse for the sake of this. Next, we're getting introduced to tax forms here. So what we're going to get introduced to first is a W-4. A W-4 basically tells us how much we want our employer to withhold for our federal income tax. So this is how much will be taken from your paycheck here. Make sure that you click all the numbers here, you sign everything, and you put the correct date. Then click continue. Correct date will be the current date. Great. Click continue. Payday is tomorrow here. So since I'm a nurse, this is my number. Your number may be different if you chose a different profession. Notice I had to click the magnifying glass to move forward here. So for this one, you need to click. You don't need to click. You need to copy these numbers here into here. 8.24. Then you have 1.45. Then you have 6.20. Then you have 3.86. Calculate. Awesome. We got it there. So what this is asking is for gross pay, which is this number here, or the amount we make before taxes. Then tax right here is in this column here. Make sure you copy and paste. Boom. Then deductions is blank, so you put 0. Calculate. This is how much money you make after taxes. So this explains the gig economy. A gig economy is basically a temporary job that you do on the side to earn income here. For the sake of this here, I'm choosing pet sitter. Great. So I'm getting my W-2 form, which is a form that tells you how much you made and how much you paid in taxes in the last year. So let's click open. For this one here, you should click on all these numbers to proceed forward. Boom, boom, boom. Filing your taxes. This gets a little complicated with the math here soon enough, but click all the numbers and click next. Awesome. So right here, you click on 1 and 2. Wages, salaries, and tips. To figure that out, you click on the magnifying glass and click on column 1. Then you copy and paste the number here. I already did that. That's correct. Then right here, that's correct. Standard deduction. So for this activity here, you are singled, and because of that, you put 12,200 here. No need for the comma. Once you put that there, boom. Don't forget to click the 3. Taxable income there. What you do here is you subtract the sum of lines 8 and 9 from 7. So what does that mean? So you take 8 and 9, add them together, in this case 0, and subtract them from 7. So 34,903 minus 12,200, you get this number here, $22,703. Your numbers may be different depending on the profession you chose. Click tax here. Great. Click here, federal income tax withheld from W-2 and 1099. How do I get this number here? Find the total amount of taxes withheld from your paychecks in box 2 of your W-2. So you click up here where your W-2 is. Box 2 is right here. You copy and paste that number right there, and then you click next. If line 18 is more than line 15, subtract line 15 from line 18. This is the amount that you overpaid. So line 18 here is more than line 15. Subtract these two numbers to get the remainder, which is $224.84. Click next. It doesn't matter what account you choose, I just chose checking. To find the routing number and the account number, you click over here on the magnifying glass, copy and paste these numbers here, and you'll get the correct answer. For the sake of this activity, they're the same number, though they are not the same number in real life. So let's go and click next. Frozen. Next, sorry about the technical difficulties. Click next. The amount you owe here. In this case, it's 0. Click submit. Great job. Now, right here, this activity basically tells you that job offers are not all about money here. So what it's going to do is say the power of benefits here. So right here, it's very clear that you make more money on the new job offer here. So I'm going to click that one, select. But this one offers healthcare, where this does not. Healthcare could be very expensive and can bankrupt you very quickly in the United States. So click current job and hit select. Paid time off. Our current job seems to offer more paid time off than this one here. So I'm going to click current job here. Disability insurance. If you get hurt, you will still get at least some of your paycheck here. Job offer does not offer it, but our current job does. Retirement. If your employer matches you up to 5%, that's basically free money. So current job offers that. The perks. Tuition reimbursement is a huge one compared to like discount at your local gym. I'm going to click select here. And notice here that if I keep the current job, I get a lot more benefits, so I'm going to do that here. But you might want to always keep searching for a job so that way you can negotiate a higher pay. Click next. Now it's going to take you through a little bit of a game here. So what type of insurances you want here? I'm going to click all four because you generally want healthcare, vision, dental, and disability. We'll get into later about budgeting. For the sake of this, I want to just click sign up there where you put 50% in savings, 50% in checking here. So I got hit in the mouth with a ball there. Luckily, I have dental insurance. My amount went up there. I got 7% of my retirement here. But I got married here. And the cost of the wedding is $4,500, and I don't have enough in savings. So as a result, I lose the game here. That's okay. It's okay to lose. So it's going to click next. Next, we take the assessment. The gig economy offers flexible, short-term, and independent jobs. What is net pay? Net pay is the amount you've paid after all taxes and deductions are taken out of your paycheck. When you start a new job, you fill out a W-4 form to determine how much federal income tax your employer should withhold from your paycheck. When considering a job offer, you should consider how much you're being paid and any other employee benefits before you accept the offer. That's true. Which of the following is not considered part of your benefits package available from your employer? Free technology equipment is not part of your benefits package. How does the government pay for roads, schools, and emergency services? They are funded through taxes. What do you need in order to fill out your 1040? Your W-2, routing, record of any supplemental income. You need all of the above. For most careers, which degree will most likely result in the highest lifetime earnings there? Choose the highest, which in this case is a bachelor's degree. Your employer sends you a blank form that tells you how much you made and how much you paid in taxes in the last year. That's W-2. Which of the following is possible? The possible tax or deduction that they may show up on your paychecks there. Uh, yeah, I think all of these, right? All of the above. There we go. That is 100% there. Thank you for coming in, and I hope you have a wonderful day.